G'day guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own NFT on the Opensea market in Opensea and sell it on the Opensea marketplace. So you want to do first thing you want to do is go to opensea.io, go to profile, and this should bring up the MetaMask wallet. You will have to have MetaMask already installed as an add-on to your browser. I can show you that in another video. Next, you want to click sign in. Enter your password. And next, you want to go to create. And just sign this. Once you're in here, you can browse the file that you want to upload. And just drag that to your browser and drop it in. Next, you can add a name. You can add an external link if you need to, and add a description. Add the name of your collection that you want to include your uploaded NFT to. I'm going to leave that blank for this one. This one you can add properties, you can add name, or character, and a next you can add levels. So these are optional, you don't have to fill those in. You can also add unlockable content if you want to, or explicit content, and here you can add the number of supply and the blockchain. Just note that the Ethereum blockchain gas fees are pretty high at the moment. So I like to use the Polygon network as it has free transactions and you can mint multiple NFT copies of the NFT that you want. I'm just going to put one at the moment. And then you just click create. And there you have it. You've minted your NFT. From here, you can click that sell button or edit, and you can designate the price and how long you want to list the NFT on the marketplace for. Let's put Once you've set the price, you can click complete listing and sign. Just click sign there, and your NFT is listed on the marketplace. And there you have it.